Today we shall discuss about the 10th standard Samaichar Kalvi pattern on mathematics and other important questions. So the pattern goes like this. First you will have 1 mark, which will be 14 questions. 14 into 1, that is 14 marks. Second is about 2 marks, wherein you have to write 10 out of 14 questions, which will go for 20 marks. And third, 5 marks, similar to 2 marks, 10 out of 14, 50 marks. And finally, 8 mark questions. That is, you will have two questions each, 2 for geometry, 2 for graph. You have to write each one questions. That is 8 2s are 16, which constituted to 100 marks. So let's see, important things are like, what is the time management? What are the important questions? The first, you have to study all the 8 chapters here to score good marks. And for 2 marks, there's a question number 28, compulsory question, where you can expect questions from chapter number 3, chapter number 5, chapter number 6 and chapter number 8. And for 5 mark question, where you can expect the 42nd compulsory question from chapter number 3, from chapter number 4 and chapter number 5. And similarly for 8 mark question, where you can expect 43rd question from chapter number 3 and 44 question from chapter number 4. So out of your 8 chapters, this shows that your chapter number 3, your chapter number 4 and your chapter number 5, chapter number 6 and chapter number 8 are the very important chapters. So next we will see the time management, which is very much important. So for the 1 mark questions, you should not spend more than 15 minutes because the total exam timing is about 3 hours, which is equivalent to 180 minutes. So for 1 mark questions, you should not spend more than 15 minutes. For 2 more questions, for each question you can spend 4 minutes, not more than that. So 4 questions into 4 minutes into 10 questions, which will go for your 40 minutes. And similarly for 5 mark questions, each question you should not exceed more than 8 minutes. So 8 minutes into 10 questions, which will go for your 80 minutes. And finally for 8 mark questions, you will have to answer 2 questions. So each questions 15 minutes, which constitute to 30 minutes. So this will go approximately for 165 minutes out of 180 minutes, where you can take this 15 minutes for checking like things, your register number, the common mistake which students make, question number, highlighting important formula, given data and solutions. So solutions you have to highlight like a box. And fourth important thing, you have to underline each questions, especially the 2 marks and 5 mark and 8 mark, so that the examiner is impressed by your answers. Next few things we shall discuss here is about, I've already informed you about the important chapters here and the time management system and the important questions from each chapters. So what we have observed is about general questions asked in the previous video. So chapters, especially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are easiest chapters out of 8 chapters. So typically if you are feeling difficulty in mathematics for 10th standard, you can study the first 5 chapters thoroughly, and the other question which student asks is about what is the guide to follow. Guide is about Sura publication. So apart from this, there are few other things which in the recent video which you guys have asked us, which is highly important, and we are highly thankful for that also. So based on that, we have made a formula book for you people. The formula for all the math for the entire book, where you can study easily all the formulas. We'll send you a PDF. There's a small offer running on with us. So the offer is about the actual cost of the formula book, which you can study before the exam. In few minutes, you can make a revision of that. It is completely chapter wise. You don't need to have to study entire formula from a whole book last minute. So it's a last minute formula key book for you. The actual price of the formula book is rupees 15, but we are giving at the offer price of rupees 10. So how to buy this formula book? So you have to just go to your any Google Pay account, Paytm, Phone Pay, anything. It's actually UPI payment. Go for this and type this. That is SALMANAB 4092 at OKSBI. I'm repeating it for you. It is SALMANAB 4092 at OKSBI in any of your Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, or any other UPI app, BIM, including BIM. So go there and pay 10 rupees, and in the remarks you can give Sarana. So after that, send this screenshot payment link to this email ID. The ID I'm repeating is for you: saranadesk@gmail.com. So first step is about, you have to go to any of this Google Pay, GPay, Paytm, Phone Pay, UPI, BIM application. Type this UPI ID and pay 10 rupees. In the remarks section, you can add Sarana and mail us that screenshot to this ID, which is saranadesk@gmail.com, and you will receive the formula book within 1 day. Along with that, you will have free support. So I've said you already, like till 19th, you will have free support for all your doubts. So this offer for this formula book and support is till 19th, and after the similar price will be very higher. Right now the offer was 15 rupees. We're giving a 10 rupees price. So apart from this, if you have any sort of questions, doubt, anything, you can comment on it. But we'll have only a first preference for the guys who get this book and free support access. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, any sessions, you can please feel free to ask us, and kindly like, share, comment on this. It will help us to bring more videos like this in the next session. And apart from this, if you have questions, doubts, like how to study social science, English, science, any other subjects, please feel free to ask us regarding this. So we'll put continuous videos upcoming days also. And thank you so much for your support. And once again, I'm repeating you, kindly like, share and comment, and also press the bell icon for all your future updates. Thank you so much, guys.